Hi students, once again welcome back to our online classes. The last part of our lesson number 2, that is linear equations in one variable. Now our previous class we learned that how the linear equations can be solved. It is already given as linearities. But in this particular class we learned that how can we make the given equation into linear, means more simpler form. It is not in the linear form, we have to make it into simpler form. It can be made by multiplying with its LCM. So this question we can solve and find out how it can be solved the following equation. So first we have to find out the LCM of the given numbers. That means 2, 4 and x. You all learned that how to find out the LCM of the given numbers. So first find the LCM, that is 2. Here common factors has to take it out, 2, then 3. Then again 2 can be divided, 1 and 3. Then again 3 can be divided, 1, 1, then again 1. So here LCM we are getting that 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So we get the LCM 12. That LCM we can multiply with each terms. So we write like this, multiplying with the LCM 12 with each terms. So how can be it done? So 12 multiplied by n upon 2 minus 12 multiplied by 3n upon 4 plus 12 multiplied by 5n upon 6 is equal to 12 multiplied by 21. Even LCM multiply with the LHS as well as RHS. So here you can cancel the numbers. Or multiply means you can do the reduced form. That is 2 1s are and 6 2s are. Then 4 1s are, 4 3s are. Then 6 1s are, 6 2s are. Now we get the linear form. Now we can write in this way, 6 multiplied by n is equal to, therefore 6n minus 3 3s are 9n plus 2 5s are 10n is equal to 12 21s are. In the rough column you can easily find out that without multiplication also. That means you know that 21 tens are how much it is. Here 21 tens are 210. Now again 10 after how many tens? Again the 2 tens are there. 2 tens you already know that how much it is. 2 tens are 20. So total will be 0, 3, 2. So 21 12s are. You find out by multiply also you will get the same answer. That means 21 once more, that is 21 2s are. It should be 21 2s are. 21 2s are here. 21 10 times first multiplied. Then again 21 2 times multiplied. That is 42. So we get that 2 4 plus 1 5 252. So here it will become 252. Now you can see that this form is known as linear equation. Now linear equation simple form we have already learned how to solve it. So again we write, now here you can see that 6n minus 9n. 6n minus 9n plus 10n is equal to 252. Therefore, then again 6n minus 9n. Here you can see that subtract both the numbers. Both the digits are having different signs. So such time you have to minus. So 9 minus 6, 3. And greater integer sign, that is minus 3n plus 10n is equal to 252. Therefore, now again both the signs are different digits, so that here you have to subtract 10 minus 3, 7, and the greater sign is plus. So 7n is equal to 252. Therefore, n is equal to 252 upon 7. Now, it is not necessary to go and divide. You already learned how the reduced form is to find out by cancelling the numbers. That is 7 ones are and 25. How many times 7 table can be say? 3 sevens are 21. So here remainder how much it will be? 4. Now 42 how many times 7? That is 6. So 6 sevens are 42. So you will get the reduced form, it will be 36. Therefore, n is equal to 36. Commands. The same way we can see that another one more sum, it is also not in the linear form. You have to make it into linear form by finding the LCM of this. So first to find the LCM is 4, 3 and 3. Now 4, first we can take it as a 2, that is 4 2 2s are, but 3 and 3 cannot be. Then again 2, then 1, 3 and 3, then again 3 can be divided, 1, 1, 1. So the LCM we get 2 into 3 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Now multiplying the LCM with the LCM 12. Multiplying the LCM, multiplying with the LCM 12. Now each term we can multiply with the 12. So 12 multiplied by 3t minus 2 upon 4. Minus again next term 12 multiplied by 2t plus 3 upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 3. That is also have to be multiplied 12 into 2 upon 3 minus 12 into t. Now you can cancel the numbers here for 3, then 3 4s are 12, here again 3 4s are 12. Now the linear form we can write. Therefore, 3 is multiplied with 3t minus 2. Then again minus 4 is multiplied with 2t plus 3. Then is equal to again here 4 into 2, that is 4 2s are 8 minus 12 into t, 12t. Now see that this 3 is common for 3t and minus 2. So both we will have to multiply. Here also both you have to multiply. So therefore 3 3s are 9, 9t minus 3 2s are 6. Then again here minus 4 2 into t, that is minus 8t. Then minus into plus minus 4 3s are 12. Then you can see that here it is there. Here it is the 12 is cancelled, that is 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. It is already written here. That is equal to 8 minus 12t. Now see that variables are both the sides. Constants are also both the sides of the equal. So we have to collect it back. That is take the variables to the left hand side. So 9t minus 8t and minus 12t, when it comes here it will become 12t, transposing the numbers. Then 8 is already there. Then from here you can take minus 6 to that side, that is plus 6. Then again minus 12 is there. Again that minus will change into plus on that side. That we call it as transposing. Now see that 9t minus 8t, how much it is? 1t. 9 minus 8, 1. Then plus 12, that is 13t. Therefore, 13t is equal to, now 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 6, 26. Therefore, t is equal to 26 upon 13. That is 26 upon 30 means 13 twos are. Therefore, t is equal to, answer is 2. Next sums, we have to solve the sums more simpler form. That means you can see that brackets are given. So, remove the bracket and make it a linear form. And in this condition, we can do in this way. Therefore, 15y minus 4. That is to be 15 is common to multiply with the y and 4. Even 2 also multiply with the y and minus 9. 5 multiply with the y and plus 6. Now let us see that 15 multiply with the y, that is 15y. Then your sign is minus. 15 4s are 60. Then again minus 2 into y, minus 2y. Then minus 2 multiply by minus 9. Minus into minus, plus. So plus 2 9s are 18. Plus 5 into y, 5y. Plus 5 6 are 30 is equal to 0. Now we have to rearrange the like terms. Here terms are, some like terms are there. That is 15y, like term with the minus 2y, like term with the 5y. So rearrange the like terms. So next step we can say that rearrange like terms. And take the constant to the RHS. So, rearranging means here 15y minus 2y plus 5y is equal to 0, and constants go to that side. So, here minus 60 will be plus 60, and again plus 18 will change into minus 18, and plus 30 will change into minus 30. Now solve it. 15y minus 2y, that is 13y. 13y plus 5, 18y. Therefore, 18y is equal to, now here say that is 60 minus 18. That means 10 minus 8, 2. 10 minus 8, 2, you get, then say 5. 5 minus 1, 4. Then again minus 30. So, therefore, 18y is equal to 42 minus 30 is, already knows 2 minus 0, 2, 4 minus 3, 1. So, 18y is equal to 12. Therefore, y is equal to 12 upon 18. Then again you can make it a reduced form. That is highest common factor is 6. So 2 6 are 12 and 3 6 are 18. That will be 2 upon 3. Therefore, y is equal to 2 upon 3. So this is the simplest form and it can be solved with that equation. Now in the next step we see that last exercise is telling about, again we have to solve the equation, but it is not in the linear form. And again you can see that it is that variables are up and down. That much complicated we have not studied. We have to make it into linear form. That can be done with the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means what? When a rational numbers or any number we get, we can do that a cross multiplication. That is, the denominator of RHS. Denominator of RHS will be multiplied with the numerator of the LHS. This is LHS and you know that this is RHS. So, denominator of RHS will be multiplied with the numerator of the LHS, and again the denominator of LHS multiplied with the what is the numerator of the RHS. So, here LHS and here RHS. So, you can understand very easily what it is. What is meant by cross multiplication? Cross multiplication is the multiply the denominator of the RHS with the numerator of LHS, and denominator of the LHS multiply with the numerator of the RHS to equalize. For what it is? To equalize. So that we call it as a cross multiplication. So this sum is also in the same way we can do that cross multiplication. That is 9 multiplied with Z, and this 4 can be multiplied with this. So you can get it. Therefore, first number should come this. So 9 multiplied with Z is equal to 4 multiplied with Z plus 15. Therefore, 9Z is equal to 4 has to be multiplied with Z as well as 15. So 4Z plus 4 15s are 60. Therefore, 9Z minus 4Z is equal to 60. Therefore, 9 minus 4, 5. 5Z is equal to 60. Therefore, Z is equal to 60 upon 5. Now, table of 5, 5, 6 one time. Then again 1, 10 two times. Or directly you can say that 12 5s are 60. Therefore, Z is equal to 12. This one also we can find out the linear form by cross multiplication. So, cross multiplication can be done in this way. 3 has to be multiplied with 7y plus 4. Therefore, 3 into 7y plus 4 is equal to minus 4 into y plus 2. Therefore, I said 3 common, it has to be multiplied with both the terms. So, 3 7s are 21y. Then 3 4s are 12 plus 12 is equal to minus 4y, and minus into plus minus 4 2s are 8. Therefore, 21y plus minus 4 when it comes here plus and plus 4y is equal to minus 8, and plus 12 when goes to the other side of the equal, it will become minus. Therefore, 25y is equal to minus 20. Therefore, y is equal to minus 20 upon 25. Here you can cancel, common factor is there, that is 5 can be. So, here it is 4, and 4 5s are 20, and here it is 5 5s are 25. That means minus 4 upon 5. Therefore, y is equal to minus 4 upon 5. Okay. Come on, we can see some of the application level problems. Solve it. That is, first I said already that we have to read the sum 2 times. The problem has to be read very carefully also. The ages of Heidi and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. Now, present ages are not given, even some of the ratio is given. So, we can assume the ratio of their ages. So, Heidi's and Harry's present age ratios are given, that is 5:7 can be taken it as x. So, it will be 5x and 7x. Then after 4 years, now ratio means you all know that ratio find out always divide with the number 5x upon 7x. Then again it is telling that 4 years now the ratio of their ages. After 4 years will added. Then after 4 years ages what happens? That will be 3:4. 3:4 means again 3 upon 4. Now we are getting the equation. From the equation we can solve the sum. So first we have to write that all the statements. So let the ratio of the ages, let the ratio of ages of Heidi and Harry be what it is 5x ratio 7x. Now after 4 years their age will be 5x plus 4 and the next one will be 7x plus 4. Then you will get that what is the present ages, that is ratio of the ages after 4 years the ages ratio is equal to, it is given 3:4 means 3 upon 4. Ratio always find out by dividing the numbers. Then we get the equation. Now already we found out the equation that 5x plus 4 upon 7x plus 4 is equal to 3 upon 4. And we already learned how to solve this equation by using the cross multiplication. So 4 multiply with this number and 3 multiply with this number. Therefore, you will get it, that is 4 multiplied by 5x plus 4 is equal to 3 into 7x plus 4. Therefore, here again multiply both the terms with 4, 3 with both the terms. That is 4 into 5x. Therefore, 4 into 5, 4 5s are 20x plus 4 4s are 16 is equal to 21x plus 3 4s are 12. Now variables take into the one side. That is 20x minus 21x is equal to 12 minus 16. Then 20x minus 21x. Here you can see that 21 is greater number and here it is plus. Both are different sign, minus. And 21 minus 20 is equal to 1. But here it is the greatest integer sign is minus. So minus 1x is equal to, again here also plus and here it is minus. Both the signs are different, so that minus 16 minus 12, that is 4, and greater integer sign is minus. Therefore minus 1x is equal to minus 4. Therefore x is equal to 4. Both minus will be cancelled. That is why it is x is equal to 4. Minus minus plus it will become. Now you can find out the x is already got it. And the ratio we have seen 5x and 7x. Out of that Heidi's age. So age of Heidi is equal to, we already saw that is 5x. Is equal to 5 into x, value of x is 4. 4 can be substituted, that is 5 4s are 20. Then again all that years, that is age. So again age of Heidi is equal to 7x. We have already. So, substitute the value of x, that is 4. 7 into 4 is equal to 28 years. So, present age of Harry is 20 years and the present age of Harry is 28 years. Okay, let us solve one more word problem, that is a practical sum which is applied for our daily life. Here, question is this: the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 upon 2. Find the rational number. Now, you all learned that in previous lesson we learned that rational numbers, what are they? They are always in the form of P upon Q. So, our answer also should get in the form of P upon Q. Numerator should be there and denominator should be there. Now, directly numerator and denominator we are not getting. So, first line we can understand that the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. So, denominator is greater than numerator. So, numerator is not given. That can be take it as a x. Numerator is x means, and denominator told that 8 greater than the numerator. So, numerator is x, greater 8 means plus 8. Then, in the second case it is telling that if the numerator is increased by 17, now numerator is increased by 17, that means plus 17, and the denominator is decreased by 1, minus 1. Then the number obtained is, that number when do all these things, that you will get a 3 upon 2. So, you are getting the equation here. Now, solve this and find the value of x. Then you will get the rational number. So, we start with the statements. Now, statements can be started like this. We already saw that numerator, let the numerator be x. Then denominator, therefore denominator already we said that will be equal to x plus 8. 8 is greater than the numerator. So, x plus 8. Now, say that it is added. So, 17 is added to the numerator. So, 17 added to numerator is equal to x plus 17. Therefore, 1 is subtracted from denominator. Is equal to 8x plus 8 is the denominator minus 1. That will x plus 8 minus 1, 7. Now, again it is given that when we find out this, that number will be 3 upon 2. So, equation we are getting x plus 17 numerator upon x plus 7, that is the denominator, is equal to 3 upon 2. Now, again solve the equation by using the cross multiplication. Therefore, 2 multiplied by x plus 17 is equal to 3 multiplied by x plus 7. Now, 2 multiply with both of the numbers and 3 also multiply with both of the terms. So, therefore, 2x plus 17 2s are 34 is equal to 3x plus 3 7s are 21. Therefore, here transposition can be done. That is, variables take on the left hand side. That 3x when it comes here minus is equal to 21 minus 34. Then see that 2x minus 3x, again we get the term here greater sign. So minus and put to the greater sign. 3 minus 2, 1 and minus 1x is equal to 21 minus 34. Again you can see that both the signs are different. So subtract and put the greater integer sign. So 34 minus 21, 4 minus 1, 3. Then 3 minus 2, 1. Then again, what is the sign has to be put up? Greater integer sign, that is minus. Therefore, x is equal to 13. Now, we already saw that x means what? Here, let the numerator be x. So, we get a numerator first. Numerator x is equal to 13. Therefore, denominator we saw that we are getting x plus 8. So substitute the value of x. X plus 8 is equal to that is a value of x 13 plus 8, that is equal to 21. Now rational number. Rational number all knows that it will be the P upon Q form. So rational number is equal to numerator 13 and denominator 21. So thus we get the rational number, that is 13 upon 21. Now remaining sums I have solved and kept in the website. You have to solve all the sums in the classwork book. Thank you.